What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a couple trucks that I want to show you this week that we've built. One of those is a 2024 GMC Denali 2500 with a rough country 7-inch lift, 26-inch KG1 forged wheels, and some 37-inch Fury tires as usual. See that truck way back there in the back? I'll show you a little bit later what that truck looks like, but right now I want to show you a Silverado 1500. It's a McGaughys lift, 26x14 KG1 benders with some 35-inch Fury MT tires. It's really my favorite setup. I like this little package with these trucks. The 14 to 18 GMs are my favorite. Kind of like my Tahoe is a 15. It's kind of the same body style, same fitment, same everything like that. Don't get me wrong, I really like the new trucks, but you know, sometimes these older trucks look a little bit better to me. Check this one out. It's a 2015 Silverado LT Z71. We did the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit on it. It's adjustable from 7 to 9 inches. So this one's pushed up to 9. It has the added leaf in the rear and the drive shaft spacer and everything. Sets the truck very, very level. Looks really good on the 26s. This is a 26x14 KG1 bender in the black and milled finish. Paired up nicely with a 35, 15, 50, 26 Fury Country Hunter MT1. He bought the upper control arms with the McGaughys kit as well. It's not a add-on that you have to do, but it's definitely optional and it looks really cool. There's the McGaughys strut right there, the 9-inch strut. He also did the traction bars in the rear to match his kicker braces, or strut tensioners, whatever you like to call them. It's really, really nice on the truck. Pearl white. Truck took about 2 days to get done, so customer's going to be getting here today, I think, to pick it up. Looks really, really good. And then in a few minutes I will show you this one, the 2024. So I appreciate everybody watching. Alright, so for the main truck in the video, man, this thing's pretty out here in the sun. 2024 Denali 2500. Take a look at this thing. It's basically flawless. Everything matches on it perfectly. It could use the fender flares color matched in my opinion, but other than that, this truck is basically complete. The 7-inch rough country lift, 26x12 KG1 Trident wheels, and 37-inch Fury tires. One cool thing about this, I know this is really, really small and simple, but I just really like whenever you walk out to the truck, hit the unlock button. That's like the coolest upgrade, I think, to the new body style. I like it a lot. A lot of the Denali, or the Denali Ultimates, come with a Vader chrome front grille and front piece that's kind of a dark chrome. This is not the Ultimate, and I think I like it better with just the regular chrome, because all you got to do is throw a set of nice forged polished wheels or chrome wheels on it and it just matches up perfectly. This is the MT2 tread on the Fury. I've been known for liking the original tread better, but this is the one that they seem to make all the new sizes in, so I guess it's kind of growing on me a little. Rides about the same noise on it. Of course, it wouldn't be complete without the Duramax. Very, very nice interior, even on the non-Ultimate models. Still get the big screen that everybody loves. Maybe one day, right? don't know if I'd get a GMC or a Chevrolet. I like them both.